My goodness, it has been sheer dominance from Team Iran. The fight ending in the very first round. What an action-packed fight, and what great action from Sina Ramizanzadeh, who ends up being the winner. It's time now for the third fight of the night. And making his way to the cage, representing the Islamic Republic of Iran, from the blue corner, please welcome Sayyid Ali Asli.
On your screen, ladies and gentlemen, is Sayyid Ali Asli, a 4-1 seasoned veteran of the Irani circuit. He's 25 years of age, 5'8", fighting from Team Iraq. What else do we know about him?
Sayyid Ali Asli, representing Iran, cooling Sheikh Al-Islam, the city of Iran. He's fighting in a flyweight 56.7 kg bout. This kid is coming in to strike, and strike. Physically, he's a genetic freak. He's known as the Iranian zombie, and for sure, Salman, he does look like an Iranian zombie.
Yes, Sayyid Ali Asli. He's as real as they come. Every time he walks out, you know he's here to have a good time. His fighting style relies heavily on his wrestling and grappling, so you can almost expect him to immediately be making reads in order to get a takedown. And once he's on top of you, he'll use his tremendous ground and pound pressure to keep you on your back. So if you're Amanullah, you can't give him any space, because when he gets his opponents on the ground, he makes it really difficult for them to get out of bottom position. Fazen.
He's also a submission specialist, not to mention two triangle choke wins and one RNC win on his resume. He's a tall, mean dude, and we saw it yesterday at the face-off, didn't we, Ali? That was a very intense face-off from the Iranian zombie. Might as well I say Amanullah looked a bit intimidated by this guy, huh?
And it's all up to Amanullah now to stop the streak of the Iranians. Sayyid Ali Asli, he looks like business, mean business. This kid is coming on to put on a striking clinic for the audience in Pakistan and everyone present here at Kala Shah Kaku.
And his opponent making his way to the cage from the red corner, representing Team Pakistan, please welcome Amanullah Mehman.
Ladies and gentlemen, Amanullah, coming all the way from Karachi, Pakistan since his last defeat back at ARY Warriors. Amanullah has strived and sacrificed a lot to become a better mixed martial artist. Amanullah has dealt with many setbacks in both his professional and personal career, with the knockout loss to Atif Khan back at ARY Warriors. And it saddens me to say this, but the loss of his father just very recently has also weighed on this young man's shoulders and heart. But that's why he's called a boulder, ladies and gentlemen, because absolutely nothing in Amanullah's path can stop him. He displays sheer determination and resilience, and it's the confidence in himself and his training that can attribute to his success in this fight tonight. Ali, he went to Thailand just last year. He trained under Johnny Walker and learned Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Tell people a little about that incident.
Man, these kids who get their camps done abroad, the experience, the exposure which they get from different training partners, the international exposure, new techniques, new training partners, everything at the highest of the highest levels. And Amanullah Mehman is stepping into the IFT2 octagon to make sure he puts these the striking display for everyone out here. And this one, again, anything can happen. It can go any way. This is going to be a very, very tough fight.
Amanullah is also a coach and trainer to many young kids aspiring to learn the sport of MMA. He also, along with the wonderful people at Bushiban Fighters Den, conducted summer camps for institutes like Nixer College and Beacon House School System. We now move on to the official announcements with Daniel Nasir Mirza.
Ladies and gentlemen, this next fight is 3 rounds of mixed martial arts action in the International Fighting Tournament Flyweight Division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. He stands 5 feet
8 inches tall. Official weight 56.7 kilograms. He holds an MMA record of 2 wins, 1 loss, fighting out of Team Iran and representing Team IRIC, the Iranian Zombie, Syed Ali Asli. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, he stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, official weight 56.7 kilograms, fighting out of Karachi, Pakistan, and representing the Bushiban Fighters Den, the Boulder, Amanullah Mehman. Referee in charge of the cage, Zaman Khan.
The prodigy from Bushiban, now the prodigy from AKA, takes on the zombie Irani Syed Ali Asli, the Boulder, versus the Iranian zombie. We're watching here live, IFT2 from Kala Shah Kaku, SA Gardens.
Ladies and gentlemen, Amanullah Mehman in the red corner, Syed Ali Asli, the Iranian zombie, in the blue. This is going to be one of the most technical striking battles we're going to witness here in IFT2.
Actually, Ali, I think this may just go to the ground because both of these fighters rely on their grappling and wrestling. So I think we can almost expect this to be going to the ground. But we don't know how much Amanullah Mehman has improved in his striking. Oh, groin shot there immediately. Yeah,
Shot to the groin.
yeah.
Oh, that's going to be a tough one. The first blow of the fight was literally a blow of the fight. You guys get that?
Yeah.
Disappointing start
Yeah,
nonetheless.
we're gonna stop the time here. Every fighter for such incidents gets at least 5 minutes of rest. Amanullah will take his sweet, sweet time. He will need it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is IFT2. This is Amanullah Mehman versus Syed Ali Asli. This fight is in the flyweight division.
Oh, that was a clean shot to the groin by Syed Ali Asli. Amanullah Mehman is given 5 minutes. He's telling the referee he's okay. He wants to start the fight again. Syed Ali Asli showing the sign of respect and ready to go again.
Good sportsmanship from Syed Ali Asli, and we are back on our way. The first thing that I noticed when I started watching this fight is the obvious size difference. That's the elephant in the room. Syed Ali Asli, he's a much larger dude, looks much larger.
And
Yes.
he's just showed us how he's going to be utilizing his reach.
Yeah, he's doing a nice job of controlling the center there. And a hard low kick eaten by Amanullah Mehman.
That's got to be the game plan. Stay on the outside, circle on the outside, pop that jab, pop those low leg kicks.
Yeah, here we go. Amanullah tried for a takedown there, but Syed Ali Asli grabbed a hold and got that double leg in.
The zombie just seems so calm in general while he's being hit, while he's throwing these strikes. Now, the zombie looking for a dominant position on the ground.
He may be called the zombie, but his reflexes, they're fast as hell, Salman. Look at how he pivoted that takedown and he got it into his own
Immediately
takedown.
into side control there.
Amanullah needs to do something fast. He can't let him stay in this position. Syed Ali Asli is going to start landing those strikes, go for a submission, and that's going to be problem.
Yeah, Amanullah doing a nice job of at least controlling the left arm there of Syed Ali Asli because that's what's preventing him to take hard damage just like that.
This is where I think Amanullah can use his height. He can slip his legs and go into that full guard position, a relatively safer position than to be in side position.
Syed Ali Asli, man, he said he wanted to strike, but now the tables have turned. He's on top on the ground, dominating the position. Then again, Amanullah took a camp in Thailand a while back. He knows what to do. He knows how to counter these things. But then again, the Iranian competition, which is here in IFT2, that's no joke, ladies and gentlemen. The toughest going against the toughest.
Also, Ali, Jiu-Jitsu, there's no striking involved. One can be really well at Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, but when it comes to mixing it all together with the strikes and the ground and pound, it's a whole other dimension. You need a whole other level of skill. And Amanullah Mehman is showing that he is able to at least not sustain hard damage right now.
2 minutes left into the first round. Saeed Ali Asli with a very dominant position, landing these small shots. But Salman, these shots do make a difference. They do hurt.
They do hurt. Amanullah keeping Saeed Ali Asli close to himself, but finding it very difficult to get out of this position here.
I like the fact how Amanullah is trying to keep Saeed Ali Asli as close to him during this ground and pound. Minimum shots are being thrown and the effectiveness is minimum as well.
Now that looks like Saeed Ali Asli is in crucifix position over there because he has Amanullah's arm hook. He's going to look to rain those elbows down, and that's very bad position for Amanullah because his arm is
he's
stuck
stuck
between Saeed
there.
Ali's legs.
This can't keep on continuing, guys. If he, and this is a very, he just needs to open up, create some.
Amanullah
space.
stuck in a crucifix of sorts.
That's
Saeed
trouble.
Ali Asli raining down bombs here. Still a minute to go in this round. Oh, okay. Amanullah made it out of that disadvantage. Yes, exactly. Fazan.
1 minute to go into the first round, ladies and gentlemen. What a way to start the third fight. Saeed Ali Asli in the blue corner, Amanullah Memon in the red corner. Man, these guys, they're showing the high level martial arts on display tonight, live at Kalashakaku.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are tuning in right now, happening right now is the IFT2 International Fighting Tournament in SA Gardens. The action here is brought to you by SA Group, SAG MMA, and Discover Pakistan. Right now is Amanullah Memon versus Saeed Ali Asli. We move on now to the final seconds of round number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a dominant performance here by Saeed Ali Asli here tonight. As
We've got 20 more seconds to go. There's been a technical error, ladies and gentlemen. Saeed Ali Asli in a dominant position. Amanullah courageously eating these shots back to back.
that was the sound of the
The
last
referee
10
had a
seconds
little
of the
bit
round here.
confusion. The timer is actually giving us some technical problems. That is the end of round number 1, ladies and gentlemen.
And somehow, someway, Amanullah makes it out of that round.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a dominant performance there by Saeed Ali Asli. Amanullah Memon very visibly tired and convincingly so by Saeed Ali Asli. What a round it was for Saeed Ali Asli. If you're him, Fazan, how are you feeling going into the second round here?
That was a very tough ask for Amanullah to survive that round, and somehow, someway, he made it out. This is a testament to his sheer will and dedication to this sport and to this craft of his. This is Amanullah the boulder. He'll go through any adversity, any obstacle.
हमारे पास जो इधर टाइमर चल रहा है वो सही कर रहा है। आप ऊपर वाला टाइमर देखो ना, फिर आपके पास वो भी एक्सेस नहीं, इसे सीख कर लो अपने टाइमर।
Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for round number 2. Let's see how Amanullah could change his strategy coming into the round 2. Both fighters taking deep breaths. Saeed Ali Asli, he exhausted himself with the ground and pound. A lot of energy was invested while doing this, Salman.
Yeah, but of course, if you're the guy on your back eating heavy shots there from the top by Saeed Ali Asli, you're gonna be more tired and wear down.
Both fighters throwing kicks and both fighters missed. That was a good attempt by Saeed Ali Asli for an up kick. Oh!
Hard low kick
Hard
there
leg
by.
kick.
The classic left hook takedown, boom, dominant position.
Yeah, and Amanullah in a world of trouble right now. Saeed Ali Asli back on top of him. The crowd is so excited watching Saeed Ali Asli fight here tonight. Fazan, what do you see? What's happening over here?
Amanullah is getting some stuck in these positions again and again. He needs to watch out for that takedown. But on the other hand, I completely understand when you have such a tall, dominant fighter in front of you, it's really hard. Easier said than done, Ali.
Oh, there was an eye poke by Amanullah to Saeed Ali Asli. Saeed Ali complained. The referee's given a stop timer.
I just hope that they restart in the same position and there's no mixture with that.
Saeed Ali Asli seems to be complaining to his corner, and a towel has been thrown.
No, a towel has been thrown
to clean the eye,
to
not
clean
to
the
end
eye.
the
Yeah,
bout.
yeah. What?
And the winner, that was a disqualification.
Excuse me,
3-0,
what?
a very confusing environment. This decision was taken very fast.
I
though.
don't understand what happened here.
I'm very confused, Salman.
I would like to watch the replay. I would like to see what exactly happened, how the eye poke took place, why the ref thought it was better to stop the fight.
And unfortunately, this victory falling on deaf ears. The crowd is as bamboozled as we are right now.
Let's
Perhaps
see
a
here,
very quick one.
Fazen. We look back on the replay here. So there
No, that was not
something
intentional.
happened, but
I don't think that was intentional. Only in the case of an intentional eye poke, and I think after multiple offenses that you call the fight.
it appears this fight has been stopped via forfeit by the corner of Amanullah. It seems like Amanullah couldn't continue, so that's how we are where we are right now.
If
Ladies-
that's a forfeit, it makes sense, but I didn't see it.
24 seconds of round number 2. Declaring your winner by forfeit, Zombie Iranian Sayed Ali Asli.
Well, what a performance there by Sayed Ali Asli. He made his opponent quit. I mean, I'll be interested to find out, to see exactly what happened that made Amanullah want to not continue anymore. Fazan.
On to Daniel
I'm
Nasser.
here with your winner, Zombie Irani. How did you feel in that fight? Very dominant performance. How are you feeling right now?
Saeed Ali Asli, چطور فیل میکنی یاران بعد از پرفورمنس مثل اینطوری یکم مسئله شده بود but how do you feel
سلام علیکم خدمت مردم عزیز پاکستان خیلی مهمان نوازی اگه 5 تا good اگه 5 تا راند دیگه هم بود من بازی میکردم تشکر میکنم از منیجر و استاد بزرگم استاد ابراهیمیان و مردم عزیز پاکستان تشکر میکنم واسه مهمان نوازیشون
Thank you to Pakistan for giving us the respect and treating us like guests. If the fight would have lasted 5 minutes more, I would have finished the fight. Thanks to my coach.
تشکر میکنم از ایرانیای عزیز که با جون دل تشویق میکنن دمتون گرم
Thank you to the Iranians who came and supported me. I love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, Zombie Irani Sayed Ali Asli.
An anticlimactic end to the fight, but nothing to take away from the performance of the Iranian zombie Sayed Ali Asli. What a dominant fight over there from Sayed Ali Asli that he has fought. I think even if the fight went all the way, I don't think the story would have been much different, Salman.
Yes, of course, Fazan.
Iran is dominating season 2 of the International Fighting Tournament, coming to you from SA Gardens, Kala Shah Kaku, brought to you by the Pakistan MMA Federation.